you guys know, this is my 2023 Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport. Now, when I first bought the car, I literally just broke my personal best trading record, which I just closed out my trades for a $202,000 profit. 140K profit, then we have a $60,000 profit here, which this was a huge position, leaving the account over $500,000 profit. And I want you to relate my car to my trading strategy, which is basically just price action and supply and demand over the last 6 years of my trading career.
So today I'm going to be showing you Lambo Raul strategy, which only uses one candle as simplified as possible, because this is the same strategy that bought him a Rolls Royce Lamborghini, and now it bought him a Bugatti Chiron. So if you've been using ICT, SMC, and if you're confused and been losing trade after trade, so from now on, you have to stop using ICT, SMC, and all this complicated strategy, and still this very simple but powerful trading strategy, which only uses one candle to know where the market is going, and be like this trader making $200,000 on just one trade. So for you to also start to make $200,000, you have to know these two secrets or two entries this actual trader uses, and this all start from the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, there's this specific candle which actually tells you everything about what is about to happen.
That first hour is called the initial balance. It is the range formed between the high and the low 60 minutes after the open.
So in order to keep this video as short as possible, I'm going to show you the actual candle that is referring to, and also how to actually make money with this actual candle when the market is going up and also when the market is going down. So the market open that Lambo Raul is referring to is the New York Open or 1530 in South African time. So when it comes to trading, you are looking at US pairs or pairs that are affected by the New York Open, which include National 100, gold, and also other indices like US 30, S&P 500, and more. And to make everything simple for me, I opened the account using the broker, which is in the video description. With this broker, I actually know the exact candle that I'm looking at because it actually aligns with the New York Open. So this actual candle will be exactly as it must be. And among 50 brokers that have gone through testing this actual strategy one after the other with the same pattern, this actual broker, which is in the video description, has been the most accurate trade after trade. So once you open an account using the link which is in this broker, you can go on any US affected pair, which is gold, National 100, S&P 500, US 30, and other pairs which move up sharply or down when the New York opens. Then now comes the chart. You are looking for the candle which happens exactly at 1300, which is this candle that you see right here. So as soon as this actual candle closes, you want to mark the high and the low of this actual candle. Then you now focus on the next candle that happens after it. When you have a candle which goes above the high of the 1300 candle, then comes back to close inside, this actually tells you that the market is about to go down. So you enter a sell trade immediately with a take profit at the low of this actual 1300 candle, and just like that, you can easily scalp each and every trade that you get using this actual strategy and have up to 100% winning rate. I'm going to show you how powerful this actually is. It doesn't matter what time of day it is. Whenever a candle, you mark the high and the low. Then on the next candle, if it's the candle which comes below it and then comes above the low and then close in it, when you enter a buy trade, immediately the market will go to the other side of that candle and close with almost 100% accuracy. Now you put that together with the exact time that this is most powerful, which is exactly at 1300. Imagine the accuracy that you have when you're trading the strategy, which is so powerful and also so easy to steal. Even a grade 3 can actually use this strategy each and every day and make money. This is the first way to actually trade this strategy. Then on another day, you have the 1300 candle. Then you see the market can either go up and close above it or go below it and then close like this. By the market doing this, it tells you that it's about to go down, or if it closes above, it tells you the market is about to go up. So you can easily know that you're going to scalp the market immediately and make profit. Now this strategy, let's look at examples on how you can actually apply it in real markets or live examples. So here at the bottom, you can actually see this is our 1300 candle, which means you mark the high and the low of this actual candle candle, and you can see the market went below the low, come back and close above it, which means this is where you're going to be entering your buy trade and targeting for the market to go to the other side. On the next candle, you can see the market consolidated, went up, went down, but it don't reach the other side. Then on the next candle, you can see, boom, the market actually shoot up, hitting your take profit level and even surpassing it. Now let's go to the next day. Here on this actual day, you can see the market is going up very sharply, and this our 1300 candle, you can see this 1300 candle is the one which actually went above this candle and came back to close in, which means this will be a sell trade that you can take and actually make profit at the market going to this actual low. It's a quick scalp, and if you're using a good broker like the one which is in the video description, you can easily make big money from a trade like this because you know it's going to hit your TP very quick. On to the next day, you can see this is our 1300 candle, which is this green candle. So if you mark the high and the low of this candle, you can see the market going below it and closing below this actual candle, which means this is telling you that the market must actually go down. So you enter a sell trade here and actually make a quick profit from this big candle that you have right here going down. That's as easy like that. You'll be making profit day after day. Now let's look for another opportunity, which is on this day. You can see the 1300 candle, which is this red candle that you have here. Mark the high and the low. You can see a candle right here closing above this actual candle, which means you'll be entering a betted after here. And look what happened afterwards. The market shoot up very, very big from this actual trade. These are the ones which actually change your life. You make the biggest profits from trades like this. So for you to actually get them, you have to be dedicated, come to the market each and every time, applying the same strategy exactly at the same time each and every day. Sometimes you have some losing trades here and there, but when you actually get a trade like this, your whole life will change because this same strategy that bought this actual trader a Bugatti Chiron, a Rolls Royce, and also a Lamborghini.
Best thing about trading is the freedom that's involved with the amount of money that you can actually make. You can live a life of abundance and a life of freedom because of it.